Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the Math Cave, where today we're going to learn about the 10 frame. I know you guys have been using the 10 frame in your math lesson, but I'm here to explain to you why it's important, what we can do with it. So let's take a look at our 10 frame here in the Math Cave. So if you take a look at our 10 frame, there's only 10 spaces. So when our 10 frame is full, we know for a fact that there are 10. Because our 10 frame right now is full, let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we have 10 in total in our 10 frame. So today we're going to use this 10 frame to help us do some addition. So let's take a look at our very first problem. We're going to do 5 plus 2. Now I want you to pay close attention. I put colors here that show the same as the color used for this dot. So it says 5 orange dots are going to be needed. So right now we have too many orange dots. So let's take some away to show 5. Now while I'm doing this, we need to think about if you look over at the number 2 and it has the color black underneath it. So that means how many black counters are we going to need? If we have 5 orange counters, now we need 2 black to help us solve our problem. So right now, we're going to put 2 black counters, and now we're going to take a look at our 10 frame. How many do we have in all now? We have 5 orange and 2 black. So let's take a look and count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or another way you could count is there's 5, so we're going to count on 5, 6, 7. So let's go ahead and put our number 7 because that's what our total is. So we have a number 7. So nice job, boys and girls. So now 5 plus 2 equals 7. So let's take a look at our next problem. So if we were to change these numbers here, and now we're going to do this time we're going to do 3 plus 4. So what that means is we're going to have to think about how we're going to change our 10 frame to match. So first, we have a 3 in the orange space. Then we have a 4 in the black space. So this is going to tell us how many counters we're going to need. So we have 3 plus 4. Now we're going to look at our counters right now. So we have too many orange, so we're going to change it because we want it to only show 3 orange counters. So 1, 2, 3 is all I need. So we're going to take these 2 off. And now the rest of the spaces are going to be in black. So we're going to take these blacks off. So now we need 4 black counters. So we're going to put on 4 black counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to take a look at something that's pretty interesting. Even though we had 2 different numbers here before, we actually have something interesting that just happened. We have the same amount as counters as before. We just did a different way of finding it. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 again for our answer. So 3 counters plus 4 counters is going to equal 7. Because there's many ways to make different numbers. Let's take a look at our next problem. This time, we're going to do 1 plus 3. So we're going to do 1 plus 3. Now we're going to need to fix this because right now we have not the correct counters here. So we need 1 orange. So we're going to take our counters off. We have 1 orange counter and 3 black counters. So let's put it 1, 2, and 3. So now let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 orange counter and 3 black counters is equal to 4. So we need to change this because it says 7 and that does not match our 10 frame. So we're going to go ahead and put the number 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Nice job. Let's go ahead and do one more and then we'll be done. So next problem we have is 6 plus 4. So we're going to do 6 orange counters. And we're going to do 4 black counters. And we're going to figure out what that total is going to be. So see if you can solve at home before I finish. So we're going to need 6 orange. We're going to have 6 orange. Make sure you're watching. Make sure you see if I do the correct thing. See if you can spot it at home. So I need 6 orange counters. So let's take a look. Is that 6 orange counters? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or another way to do it is when this top half is full, we know there's 5. So 5, 6. I think we're good. Now we need our black counters to do the next part. So in this one, it says we need 4 black counters. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, wait, we have to stop because we already know our answer right now. 6 and 4 is going to make what? You should know this right away because something is full here. What is full? If you said our 10 frame is full, you are correct. So when our 10 frame is full, that means we have 10. So we know we don't even have to count because it's full. So we know for a fact that we have 10 counters in all. So 6 orange counters and 4 black counters makes 10. And we also knew that because our 10 frame is full. Nice job, everyone, using your 10 frame. I hope this helps you to solve some of your problems at home.